Moringa leaf powder is a versatile, nutrient-dense superfood that can elevate your health in so many ways. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, improve digestion, or simply feel more energized, Moringa has something to offer. Nutrient-rich, Moringa leaf powder is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A for healthy skin and vision, vitamin C to boost your immune system, calcium and magnesium for strong bones and teeth, iron to combat fatigue and improve energy levels. Moringa leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and twice the protein of yogurt. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants are key to fighting free radicals in your body, which can cause damage to your cells. Moringa is packed with powerful antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These not only protect against oxidative stress, but also promote healthy aging and support your overall well-being. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health problems, from arthritis to heart disease. Moringa contains compounds like isothiocyanates that have been shown to reduce inflammation. This makes it a natural option for supporting joint health and overall mobility. Supports digestion. If you struggle with bloating, constipation, or irregular digestion, Moringa may help. It's rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Plus, its natural antibacterial properties can help combat harmful bacteria in your digestive system. Balances blood sugar levels. Moringa leaf regulates blood sugar levels, thanks to compounds like isothiocyanates. This is especially beneficial for those looking to maintain healthy energy levels or manage conditions like diabetes. Boosts energy and focus. Need a natural pick-me-up? Moringa's rich nutrient profile can help combat fatigue, improve mental clarity, and boost your energy levels throughout the day. Weight management. Looking to shed some extra pounds or maintain a healthy weight? Moringa leaf powder can be a helpful addition to your diet. Its high fiber content keeps you feeling fuller for longer, curbing unhealthy cravings. Additionally, Moringa's ability to regulate blood sugar levels helps prevent spikes and crashes that often lead to overeating. By boosting metabolism and providing sustained energy, Moringa supports your weight management goals naturally. Supports hormonal balance. Moringa leaf powder is rich in phytonutrients and plant compounds that help regulate hormonal activity. It's especially beneficial for women as it supports a healthy balance of estrogen and progesterone. The high levels of vitamins E and C also combat oxidative stress, which can disrupt hormone product. How to use Moringa leaf powder. Add a teaspoon to your smoothies or juices. Mix it into soups, stews, or salad dressings. Brew it as a tea for a calming evening drink.